Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, hope you're well. My name is Dolon. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a different recipe. It's lamb kebab, one of my favorites and my children's favorite at home as well. So please watch the video and do let me know your comments and do subscribe. Any feedback, just write it below. So let's go, let's get cooking. Thank you. So I have the minced meat, the keema, lamb minced meat, which I've washed and drained earlier. There's roughly about a kilo here. So, what I'm going to do now is put the spices in, mixed all the spices, and I'll make it precise for you, especially if you're learning how to cook. Okay, so let's start off with 2 eggs. I've got 2 just normal eggs. Salt as you wish. So I put slightly less, the coriander leaves. Finely chopped green chilies. So you want it finely chopped, so when you bite the kebab, you don't want a whole piece in your mouth. I'm gonna add red flakes for the color and the fragrance, so just very small. You don't need so much because you don't want your mouth burning afterwards. And then I've done ginger and garlic paste, so just 2 spoons of that. And this is pepper, just grounded pepper that I made, teaspoons of this. This is Gharam Masala, so just 1 spoon of that. Dhania, this is 1 spoon of that. And lastly, cumin, that's Jeera, cumin powder. So I'll add 2 spoons of that. Lastly, we'll add the onions. In size wise, they're quite big, so I've taken 3 onions. As you can see, they're very thinly sliced. I want to add that in. Now all the ingredients are in, and I'll start mixing. As you're mixing, you'll feel any big chunks of onions in your hands, so just mix till it's gone all soft. Leave it for half an hour to marinate. Just 30 minutes is fine. So here I've just got a plain plate and I've got my meat. So what I'm going to do is start making the meat into its shape. Usually I do a slightly longer shape, so it cooks well and it's thin. So I'm just gonna put it here. So now you can see I've made them into its sizes, and you can shape them any size you like. So now it's time to fry. So as you can see, I've taken a non-stick pan, very simple. And I've just heated the pan up, and I'm going to put some olive oil in there, maybe 2 tablespoons. You don't need much because as the minced meat itself has fat, so a lot of fat will come out as you fry along, and you can get rid of it later. So I'm just going to heat up the pan. Now that the pan has heated up, you can see the oil has gone hot. And I'm going to start off with medium gas. So just put all the meat pieces in. And then I'm going to leave this on medium gas for about 10 minutes. So now it's cooked. You can see one side has been cooked, and it's been 12-13 minutes. So I'm going to turn this over to the other side, and then I'm going to leave this on medium gas for about another 10-12 minutes. So the color just comes out. You can see the colors coming out, slightly golden brown. So we leave this for another 10-12 minutes on the other end. Right, now you can see it's done, both sides is done, it's well cooked. Okay, now it's time to serve. I've got a tray here. So here we are, we have the final dish, the kebab, the original tasty kebab. I've just added some mint leaves on the side to decorate it, and I've made some sauce, yogurt and mint sauce. You can have this with roti, rice, naan, anything, bread, whatever you like. It's very tasty. Let me know how your one goes. Good luck. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, subscribe. Thank you.